Good morning. So yesterday we had a rest day after the 312, which was, by the way, incredible. I would actually recommend that to anyone. The closed roads, it was just amazing. Absolutely one of the best rides I've done. It was just beautiful. We had good weather, and yeah, it was just a brilliant day out. And so yeah, today is our last day in Mallorca. Sad face. So today we're going to go and have potentially a smash fest up Sa Calobra, because we've not been there yet this trip. And so yeah, that's where we're going. But that's noisy. I forgot what I was saying now. So actually, yeah, we're going to go out to meet Ash, Richard, and then we're going to go and meet the Rafa lot, because we saw them yesterday. The Rafa Manchester lot are also in Mallorca, so hopefully we're going to go meet them under the arches as we head up to Sa Calobra. So yeah, that is what we're doing today. So I will see you on the road. It looks a bit chilly actually. It looks cloudy that side, but very blue and sunny that side. So that's the way we're going. So hopefully it's going to be beautiful, and there's going to be no coaches in the way, and we can have a real good boom, boom, boom up the climb. So we're just climbing up Femenia now, and almost at the top. We're taking it so steady though. So I'm going to try and give Calabra a bit of a push. It's nice and cool actually as well today, which is good. But yeah, that's where we're at. Dropped it. So we just sat waiting for Rafa to come up before we go to Sa Calobra. And I just asked Ash and Rich if they wanted any kind of mint cake, and Ash said he's never had it, so I'll film your act. I can't believe you've never had it. Okay, hang on. Oh no, let me rest it on the height bar. Get you in.
Tilt it a little bit.
I'll hold it in a sec. Ash, you're gonna love this.
Well, you might not.
Yeah.
It's a white one. Do they do a dark one?
They're not very good.
The dark ones aren't good.
What are they?
I was going to break it in half in case you don't like all of it. Right. Get a piece of that. No, Fred. Oh my lord.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Do you like it?
It's like eating toothpaste.
But sugary toothpaste.
Yeah. This is 360 watts for half an hour.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, the fall.
Stuck in my teeth.
Yes.
Is it on? It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I like that.
Am I in it? Okay, but what a load of crap, really.
A load of mints.
Mint cake, high carb,
And a mint.
3 mints, and a gel for the Sa Calobra ever. The last time I did it, we did it in, I think it was 44 minutes. But Richard just said there's a headwind.
Not matching.
You said 50 mile an hour.
I was joking. Wind you up. You believe me and thought it was 50 miles. Where's the 50 miles an hour win?
Kendall
that's what
mint
we're gonna
cake
do.
for the win.
So that's what we're going to go and do now. Good, thank you. So we've just done that amazing descent. Honestly, it sounds really lame, but every time I get to the top of it, like at the trip, I mean, like first time of the trip, I get all like teary. I'm like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. But I do love, if you ever come to Mallorca, you have to come and do that climb or descent. It's just beautiful. So we're gonna have a quick drink now, and then we're gonna do a little effort up it. So it's 9.44k if you didn't know, and it is, got the 7.1% on my segment it is anyway. So yeah, so we can get a little drink. It's really quiet actually. I expected loads more coaches. That's the only thing with doing like an effort up here is that there's loads of coaches, so sometimes you get stuck behind them, so it's not always the most ideal place to do it, but it's just so much fun because of where it is and just sorry, went a bit bloody. What the hell happened then? Because the floor's like all like jagged, it made my eyes go funny. Oh Jesus Christ, should I be doing an effort? Fell on the floor. So anyway, let's go and get a drink and we'll see you up there.
So it's like where
We're at the top now. Did a really good effort. Knocked a few minutes off it, and then now up here with all the raffle rock. Just gonna descend now, and hey! And then head down, get some food, and then head back. It's almost the end of the day, and so I just want to take a bite of apple. Again, we're at Lidl, our favourite place for a tea time snack. And look what Ash is eating.
if we can get into it.
Mr. Bloodsport. Beetroot. You can do it, I can smell it.
Post-ride snack, can you?
Don't know how the hell you're actually going to eat it out of the bag though.
I'm going to just spray it all over you.
Down it, sort of like.
Down it.
No.
Lift it up
Let
high
me
and
show
drop
you,
it
let
in.
me show you, hang on. There we go.
Just open your mouth.
Yeah, and then look, it's like eating a banana, yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Good effort. Greetings. So basically, earlier on, the GoPro battery went, and then that was that was what happened. So basically, we just had such a good time, like meeting all the raffle lot, and then I came back, had some food, and now this is our last night in Mallorca before we come home, and I'm so sad because we've just had the best time, and I've just really appreciated all your lovely comments about the 312 as always, and I just always love sharing these trips and experiences with you, just almost as well just to show you that you can do it quite cheaply. And we just did Airbnb, got cheap flights, and just had such a brilliant time. Even though the weather was a little bit rubbish at the start, it was just brilliant time. You have to come and try it out in Mallorca and do some of these rides because they are epic. They are absolutely beautiful. The drivers are amazing here. The roads are beautifully smooth. And going back to the 312 though, I know I mentioned this earlier on, but I would 110% recommend that you come out and give that a try. Even if you just do the 167, I say just the 167, it's still an epic ride because, and I'm not always a huge fan of I like Sportives, but I also like Audaxes. But this particular one, because the roads were closed, it was just incredible. It was just so well organised and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. So maybe give yourself a challenge for next year. Sign up because you will just love it. The roads are incredible, as I've just said. So I reckon that is pretty much it for this video and my Mallorca videos. So I'm off to pack my bike. Actually, I've got a new bike bag / bike box, which I think you're going to really like. It's basically a bag and it's really small, but I'm going to do a separate review video on it because I've only used it on the way out, and I'm going to pack up my bike here, see how easy it is again to pack up. But I love it. I absolutely love it so far. So that's another video coming up, just to make it easier to travel with a bicycle because I would not go anywhere without my bike. So I'm going to stop rambling, going to go and pack up my bike and say farewell from this beautiful sunset in Mallorca. So I will see you next video. Farewell, goodbye. I'll be back in Mallorca again this year, I've got to be. It's just too beautiful not to come back.